Uy, andun na si Mickey.
I don't even know.
Oh, iniwan yung banner.
Banner. Ako na. You want me? Do you want me to hold it?
Wala, wala.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Palabas na. They lost their, I think they lost their ticket.
Wow, thank you. Oh, reveal. I have name.
Sir, our flight.
Bayaan nyo na yung banner na.
Here. What the heck?
I can hold it.
Oh. Say hi to the live.
Hi to the live. Say hi to the live. Come on. There you
Hey
go.
guys, who's there? What
The
time did you guys
video-
get here?
We're
Like
here
around
like 9:40.
Yeah. Close to 10. Close to 10.
Okay.
Close to 10.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, of course, you know.
Cold outside?
Not bad.
Not
No, it's not bad.
Cold? It was okay. It was so long. I think I slept like an hour.
Okay, the mandatory photo there. Yes, but apat lang po natin.
Okay, do you see the Starbucks?
Oh my gosh.
Really bago pa lang.
Ano,
Okay,
eto na
okay.
yan, guys.
Okay. Oh no, they're looking for Akira. No,
Akira.
they're looking for. There you go.
Fresh pa rin.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Oh, that's cute. It's kind of nice.
Nakatagal ka na kanina pa.
Say hi.
Kaya ko yung the banner.
Oh, the banner.
Teka, mag-ibon na lang. Picture lang tayo. Thank you so much.
Tumawag si Brian.
Huh?
It was like popping.
Brian?
Like, yeah, yeah.
Pala.
Ikaw malapit. Palapit lang. Just say hi.
Wow, ang funny Sandrine kung mag-picture sila.
Last year na
Ang gamit yun,
Dito muna. Dito muna yung gamit. Ay, Abby! Doon ba yung pababa? Doon ang daan pababa. Ah,
Easier pa.
yeah.
Wait, let's go.
You wanna hold this one? It's the other. Sure, sure. Hey, ka muna. Say hi to the live.
Ay, naka-live ba?
Yeah.
Aces.
Sabi pa shout out kay Rayalyn.
Hi, Rayalyn. Dito na Pilipinas.
You just came here.
Oh, pero ano, 7.
Yeah.
Oh, JB.
No, you can use my phone.
Ikaw nga mag-photo. I'm doing the live.
Everyone's there. So go ahead. Okay, never mind. Dami
Para
pa.
kay Sandrine.
Saan nilagay yung stroller? Sabi, sino mo itong mga to?
Video mo na. Tapos, yeah, video mo. Tapos click ka lang dito if you want a photo. Si JB na nagpicture. Sige. Pa-airdrop ka na lang. Yes.
Ako na.
Malalaki na kayo kaya.
Let's go.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Yung gamit ko, aking gamit ko din nasa sahin. Thank you.
Hindi, bitch, sabi ko mo. Picture nyo lang. Hindi pa ako nakapag-picture. Kapapicture din ako sa
Hindi ka pa makikita.
Kaya Kira, wala pang picture. Hey, tita. Thank you. Pasayin pa natin. Karot. Uy, sorry. Hello, akin din baliw.
Aki, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the live.
Hi, live. Hello.
They keep asking for you. They're like saying, oh, yeah.
Wala po si Akira.
This is not him. This is not him.
I'm not me when I'm... Okay.
Alam mo, ikaw nang upo sa kadami ng away.
Ito, dadalhin niyo pang bukas.
Yes, lahat to.
Hindi, gawa na bago.
Gawa bago,
naman,
di ba?
oo.
Uy,
Gawa na bago.
bukas na agad.
Bukas na.
Pati nga yung ano, yung babe, yung di ba buntis siya na,
Oo.
Ayan, lumabas na.
Oh, nung unang dating ko siya, nung dumating ko, nanganak na siya.
Sorry.
See you.
Bye, Missy. Bye, see you tomorrow.
Gokoy. Hey!
That's so nice. Philip talaga.
Tagumpay. Kuya Tagumpay.
Akala ko guys. Thank you, Aces.
Will I see you tomorrow?
Pwede rin tayo mamaya.
For sure.
Yeah.
Pwede rin
Do.
kayo mamaya.
Bye.
I was like, oh my God, shit. I see you on Facebook.
Oh, they're going.
Yeah. Bye. Oh, success.
Okay, the
Wow.
live is done na po. Thank you so much sa mga nag-abang. Team Kuya at Aces sa pag-trend nyo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Chalo, bye! Akira. Yun.
Let's pray.
And live.
Thank you guys.